In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge DJI Action 5 Pro battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Charging the battery on your DJI Action 5 Pro is extremely simple. This same process will work with any other DJI device, so they will all charge in the same manner. All that you need is the standard USB-C cable to be plugged into the device. The other end doesn't really matter, it can be either USB-A or USB-C, and you will be plugging this into a power outlet using a standard power adapter, just like the one that came with your phone. So first, to actually swap the batteries from the device, you will find this latch here, right underneath the DJI logo. You press down on it and then you push it up. Then once you reveal this slot, you can bring this latch down and you will insert the battery here. So there will be a clear space or a clear hole inside where you insert the battery. Make sure to read the manual if you need proper detailed instructions, and as long as you fit it in the right orientation, it is going to go in. To actually charge this battery, look at the other side. You will see the power on icon here, the power button, and if you look underneath, you will find another latch that you can open. So press down on it and then it's going to spring up like this. Once it springs up, a USB-C port will be revealed. And as you might imagine, this is going to be the charging port. So just like your phone, you will plug a USB-C cable here. The other end is going to go into any power adapter, just like this one. And as I've mentioned earlier, you can use a USB-A or USB-C connection, it doesn't matter. Then you plug it into any valid power source or power outlet, and it is going to begin charging. You can leave it for up to an hour, which should be enough to get the battery levels to 100%. With this done, you can now use the DJI Action Pro. Now, if you bought this pack that includes a bunch of accessories, you will also have this triple battery pack. So in here, you will be able to charge 3 batteries at once, and once your DJI Action 5 Pro runs out of battery, you can just remove one that is fully charged and then replace it with the one that is discharged from your device. You place it back here and you swap them out as needed. You can charge all of them at once by plugging this device into the wall using the standard method and the power adapter as well. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make high quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.